Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can design the logic for traffic control signal in Siemens PLC logo. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my Logo Soft Comfort software, and here we will take the first input for the execute our program. This also you can use the physical input I, and also you can use the internal memory flag for HMI means. If you like to start from the HMI, you can choose this M1 or M2, M3 or any bit you can choose. And if you like to check by the start by the push button, you can make the with the holding control look like any latching system or your toggle system or selector switch, whatever you like to be use you can use. And also you can use the internal memory M signal. Okay, I will use this one M1, my first signal, to execute my program. And next I will choose the one and block in the basic functions. Just take from click it here, drag and drop also you can choose, and also by the click function you can use this one. First I will use this one B01 of my and logic. Okay, and next we will take the one output from here, and this is my first output. For example, that's we can give also this you can connect here, and also this you can connect with the first input address, first input of the logic. Okay, and this you can give the name. For example, we'll go to the block properties and comment, you can write it here. For example, red signal, red, red, or the red light. Any comment you can give, no problem. Red light. Okay, and after next you have to be choose one more end address. We will choose it here from the go to the logic, and here you can choose the end signal. Okay, and place it here. And after next you have to be choose one timer, on delay timer. You can make it here, and you can choose this timer. And after you need for the second output, you need one more end block. Go it here and design it here, the end block. Okay, and next if you like to do with any blinking system, yani means this light is like to be blink, yani anywhere when you see on the road when signals are working, first this red one signal is continuously working, and that second and yellow light will be running. After that's running look like blinker. So you can use also this is here the where go wiping relay. Yeah, this is you can use, this is synchronous pulse generator. That's you can place it here, because of if you like to be blinking you have to be use this one. Okay, and next you have to be choose for look like same like your second output for the red light. This is you can choose for the block properties, right comment, and that's yellow, that's your yellow light. Okay, you can write the comment here, and that's you can connect with this one yellow, and that's you can connect with the for enabling, and that's your timer you can connect with your AND logic, and that's your B2 AND block also you can connect with the trig function. Okay, because of this AND logic and this AND logic we have to be use both. After our this is output will be on, and you can make just one line make from here to with the your internal memory. When you give the signal also give signal to the this AND block Q1, and also you have to give the timer, because of once you give the signal, your Q1 will be started, and as this time will be completed, after this will be stop. Okay, and second will be start. And now we will design for the third one. You have to be use one more block for one more timer. Go to the here timers, this is on delay, and timer you can use it one more here timer. Okay, and one more timer you also needs one time. Once we will complete this one more timer we will be need, because of we need three timers. This is first one is your first light, and this second one is for your second light, and third one is your third light, and after this is you have to be go to the reset system. Okay, and what we will be do, that first one block, that's we have to be connect with this timer. So you can make the line with this one, and you can connect with this in the trig function, same as when you connect this one. Okay, and here also if connected, nothing issue, no problem, but you have to be just remember this. Here you have to make the same like inverse logic, yani, because of this is the close contact. When you give the signal, here one signal have to be go there, and second signal you have to be block if from here. Okay, and next this one and block also you have to be this timer we have to be connect with this also logic. You can make it the line from here. Sorry, this is you can connect with the this line, and also same like it will be connect. Okay, and at the output of the you can connect this line to the B7, and this one you have to be make directly one output. Go here, and that's output, you can choose it here. This is Q3, and you can connect this one output. Sorry, this not seem like running. You can connect this line to this one. Okay, this is our Q3, and after you can arrange this all things with the near sim like you can select all and collect it here, and also this you can select and take it up little, anywhere you can fix. This is Q3, and one more relay we needs for the output for our Q4 to set reset our main system for the execution. Put here, can be put here, and connect. This is your Q4. And after one thing, remember, this is the B2 block, your end block. You have to be make it this one inverse, and this one Q4 you can connect with your this is B2 end block. Okay, and one line you have to be connect this one and logic you have to be connect with this line, must be make it this one inverse also, and make this line with the Q3. Okay, this look like, and I hope so. This is our control is now completed, and we have to be set the first parameters. This time, if we have to be set it here in the seconds, you can set it here in milliseconds. If you put minutes, and here you can put the seconds, for example 5 seconds I will put, and this timer also I will put for 5 seconds, and minutes right here, and click it OK. And this timer also we can put the minutes and 5 seconds, and click it OK. And this is 5 seconds delay I put, and this is the in this relay pulse relay you have to be set the time. Here is for example 1 second. If I choose here, you can choose 1 second, and here you have to be choose the 50 millisecond or 60 when you write. After this will be near around 1 second. Okay, and click it. Okay, and by first we will check by simulation. I will make it little zoom, and after we will be check. Sorry, here we will be take, and I will give the signal at make the simulation. Yeah, this is in simulation. If I use this one, I have to be choose that M relay. So we can choose it here one input for M also, and we can connect with this one with the, or here can connect, no problem. Make the simulation, and when you give the signal at I2, after your system will be started and our output needs to be on. This is Q3 on, this is Q4 on, and after that's ready. But so I think so have some problem in our program. We have to be recheck this one. This is first, this is the first signal. That's we have to be make something wrong. Once I have to be stop this one, and this one line I will be delete, and this line also I will delete, and this and logic, this and logic we have to be connected with this our, this and logic we have to be connected with our this line. Yeah, this is now I think so. Okay, and again we will test our program once, give the signal, and now our Q1 is on, and after this time started, and this trig function we gives the close contact. We no need it here close, this only we have to be connect this one. Yeah, I have one mistake it here, we have to be recheck again simulation. Yeah, now it's our completed. This close contact we have to be connect with this output of this timer, and also after we need this timer on, and this and block also we have to be make this invert. I will make this simulation of, and this is you can know, this is you have to make it invert, and this is you can arrange this all lines with your according to your block, and here you can connect this one also same like as arrange, and this is I2 for our simulation. And when you like to see this in all program, and this you can remove this one, cut this one M1, and this is just now it's ready. Okay, this Q2, and this is our Q3, and this line also you can arrange by the put here the from the downside. Okay, and here can be arrange, and also you like to be secure, you can connect it here little here, and this also if you like to be make it small, can make it near here. Also this lines if you like to be connect it little near, and here the can make this put it upside, and this is your also with the near. Right, this is our now in the sequence, this is our Q1 Q3, and this is you can give the comment in blip properties, comment. This is red, yellow, and this is our green. Okay, GREE and green, and click it. Okay, this is your green. And here this comment you can give the block properties. Comment start. Okay, and this program we will be, if you don't have a physical PLC, you can check by the simulation. And now you can see we will once here, sorry, this if we need for the simulation, we have to be use one physical input and connect this one and make it simulation. And when you make it on, after you can see our now Q1 is on. Okay, and this is now stop, and after now our second input is running for the 5 seconds for with the blinking system. This will no like to be blink, you can remove this B5. This is pulsinator, thus you can remove, it will be directly running. But this is sometimes people use for this one second light to have to be blinking, because of this time goes to be finish. So after this will be start this Q3, this one when finish, and after you can see our Q3 is started. And as this will be time completed, this which last is running, after again our Q1 will be start, right? And if you like to be checked by the real PLC, so I will download this program into the PLC, and simulation I will show by the HMI. So first I remove this one, sorry, I remove this one, and I will download this program into the PLC, and we will be checked by the simulation. Download complete. Now my program is complete, successfully downloaded, and make the simulation from here. Click again OK, and you can see our simulation is ready with the our physical PLC. And this is time is now what we will be do. Now we will for checking in the Easy Builder Pro in our HMI. This is our first start timer. We can here write the start just only and click it OK. And this is our first green lamp, for example, sorry, red lamp. And you can go into the picture library and you can see the lights also like to be changed. I will show you. For example, this is the, we can go to the indications here. This is the flag button. Lamps, if you be choose, this is button. I like to find some. I have many lights. This is just only for the learning purpose. We have to be just only check yani. I think so. Here is you have lights. Add to project and close. And this state you can see this is the look like same state, and blue this is same, and this one is look like same. But we need the buttons, we need the lamp. Yeah, this is the system lamp crystal. And but I like to finding the standard. If standard choose, that's look like coming, so that you can easily later on you can find in this library. This is the huge library. You can see here lights and everything. You can select which color you want. And so for example this color we will choose, this is the red color. Okay, and also and close, and you can see this is look like same running. And if you click it OK, and this will be added into your, and this is you can use also, and go to the shape and picture library, and you can see the system lamp. And again, where we will go, system lamp standard. Again, we can find this from the that's page I forget, but you can must be remind this page. Red, after we have to be need for the yellow, right, we choose this one and click it. Okay, close. Sorry, this we can remove. This can copy and make it here paste, and again make it here paste, and this you can delete. This also delete, and you can choose in the sequence. Okay, and that's color we will be check in the shapes. Maybe to, yeah, this is now red, this is the yellow, and click it OK, and again click it OK, and this is also you can see the green color. Go to the shapes, picture library, and this is the green color, and click it OK, and again click it OK, and this is your lights will be running. And after this is comments, you can write it here. For example, this is any you can choose red. Okay, same as you can write it here, paste this. Oh sorry, this is good. This you can make it copy and make it here paste. Okay, here and here paste. This is also, and this is for example what we have to be write, yellow, yellow, and this is we have to be write green and green. So I think so videos are going to much lengthy, so we will let's fast finish. And this one you have to be, you can be set the time it from here the HMI also. This is VW0 first data register, and this is the second, and this is the third. And remove this all you can this comments, it's nothing issue. This is just only copy and here paste, and again paste, and this is you can make the 3 timers, you can make the setting times. Okay, and just to make the online simulation, and let's we will be check with our PLC. It's our program is running or have some problem. For example, here is now our first timer is where, this is our first timer, right? This is our first timer, and we have to be check the time, and this is our first timer. So for example 5 seconds if we put, so here have to be come 5 seconds, right? It's ready here. And this is also if we need, this is why not changes, because of this is some settings we have to be changes here. Go to the here and allow input, you have to be must check mark this one, and again okay, this one also, yeah, this is also okay, this one set. And again go to the simulation, and again we will be check in our, here I can corner I will be make. This is first is 5 seconds are ready. This is second one, is a second one you so see there is a old 5 seconds. For example I will write it here 6 seconds, and here have to be changes for 6 seconds, still not changes because of this is third one we will be check. This is also have setting time problem, so again we have to be stop this one and check this VW4. This is allow input and click it OK. And one more thing, we have to be go again have to be PLC and stop one simulation, and we have to be go the tools and parameters. Here we have to be write the parameters, sorry, this is we have to be on delay time VW0, and next we have to be second data register. This is our second timer on delay and 2, and third one timer we have to be B7, and this is also we need for on delay, and click it OK, and again download to the PLC. Wait for some seconds as it will be downloaded completed. After you can make it the simulation. Again click it OK, and now it will be running all things healthy. Go to the again and make it online simulation, and that's you can download the downside and go here, and here you can see this is the, for example, this program I will be make it little small, and that's we cannot move because of this is now in running condition, right? Just go it here and we can put it here, no problem. And this is 5 seconds. Now you can see here is also 5 seconds, here is also 5 seconds, and this is next timer also have 5 seconds. So I will change this one. This is I put for example 6 seconds and click enter. You can see here the 6 seconds are ready. And this also, if you like to be 6 seconds, click 6 seconds and your 6 seconds are ready. And as we will give the command in start condition, you can see our M1 is on and our system is now ready. You can see first is our red have to be start, and second we have to be start the green. This is now red start, but this is all why this is interrupting. We have to be check again this one in Easy Builder Pro. This is address we have to be choose. This is Q1 address, and it's okay. And this is seconds, we not change the address. Here we have to be write the Q2, okay. And second and third one also we have to be change the address Q3, okay. And click it okay, and again make it simulation on, okay. This is just small mistakes we have to be make it ready. Now you can see our now green is ready for 6 seconds, and as this will be completed again our red indication will be start, and when this is started this will be blinking because of we are using this one, this is we are using this pulse generator, right? And green will be same. Also if you like to be blinking, this you can put it here, for example Q3, this same like pulse generator, but I think so here no need, this is just needs on the yellow indication, right? So this way you can use this program for the traffic control signal. So hope guys you will be understand about this control, how we can design the program and show on the HMI. This is timings also we can set from the HMI. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.